come this way. You don't want to be able to stand over here, you can take a picture. Okay, here we go. Rosie, we keep on moving, please. Thanks.
Tomorrow's chapel is equally understood. Go out and try your luck. You might be soft enough. Whoever
Gucci souvenirs. Alfred Hitchcock,
moments. You folks are in for a big treat today because my guest this week is a very, very good friend of mine, makeup artist Mark James. Now, Mark, incredibly talented. We're very, very lucky to have him here. Put your hands together, everyone. Help me in welcoming Mr. Mark James! Mark James! Was that absolutely necessary?
Oh, of course.
No, it wasn't. Why?
I was demonstrating the element of surprise to the audience. See, they're stunned. See, the element of surprise is the most important effect in horror films.
Good answer. Those are blanks in a gun, though, right?
These are blanks in a gun. That's one thing I am serious about. The challenge is to make all this fake stuff look real, but to do it safely. See, this gun don't shoot real bullets because it's been fixed.
Sounds like my cat. Yeah, me too.
The point is, everything you see in horror films is always an illusion.
All right, well, maybe next time the illusion could come with a little warning. Probably not. I didn't think so.
And before we get started, we need a volunteer, and I choose her.
Very nice choice. Mark, everybody, a little bit of support for it.
Turn around, take all of your clothes off.
What is your name?
Josephine.
Josephine.
Where are you from, Josephine?
Orlando.
Oh, there you go. We just started today.
Right over here, Josephine.
Around the corner here.
Does your arm come off? No, not at all. All right. What we want you to do is pump your fist just like this. Keep pumping, baby. Oh, shoot.
Mark, maybe try this on yourself first.
The veins in my arms are way too deep, Josephine. Oh, nice veins you got there. Just keep pumping. Then when I get a close-up on this, it's going to be pretty strong.
Josephine's a bleeder.
Hit an artery. Does that hurt a lot, Josephine?
Yes.
It's going to hurt worse when we grind the salt in.
Mark, that's terrific. Now, why don't you show everybody you did that.
No way.
That's why they came here. They want to see how the stuff works.
I don't care. You lick this lady. You lick it.
Mark had this little syringe full of fake blood, and he pulled it up. Or just.
See, this isn't even a real blade. I gotta cut Josephine's arm with anything, even a banana. Ooh.
Maybe this, Where'd you get this?
Home shopping club.
Yeah, it's nothing to be proud of. This thing's dumb.
Give it here for you. Let me take a minute out to tell all the kids in the audience something a little.
Safety tip!
Make sure your kids realize all the blades you see up here are completely dull, or they're made out of plastic. Doing any inspection in the movies. I also want to emphasize that people that set these tricks up are professionals with a lot of training. So in other words, don't be trying this stuff at home.
Right in a friend's house.
The reason we can use the same puff like this is because what makes the scene work is the actor's reaction to the attack.
Well, you better get a good actor, Mark, because this thing was kind of lame, actually.
Oh, I can show you how it works. We just need a victim.
We need a victim. We need a victim. Victim.
Yeah.
Josephine!
Hey, ghost. Look right up to the ceiling, Josephine. Put your head back and scream, blank!
Big step. Here you go. They didn't look great, but everything he's shown us so far is very simple, right?
Yes, this and the blood both are very simple effects, but a lot of these effects are very, very complicated. Why don't you come on over here with me, Dan? There's some more stuff. Help me move these arms out of the road. Now, whenever you people go to see any horror film, all the severed heads, the masks, the scars, and the gashes you see are made out of the makeup artist's best friend, foam latex. So, whenever we want to do something really, really...
Help me! Please!
As I was saying, whenever we want to do something really disgusting to someone in the movies, we prefer not to hack up the actual actor. So what we'll do is we'll make a latex mask using the actor's face as a guide and use that instead. You can see this is Sinead O'Connor. See, everything that's in these movies is not what you think it is. Now let's take Sydney here for an example.
This is Sydney?
This is Sydney. Sydney is a real skeleton.
Shut up, it's not real.
This is a real skeleton.
It's not like a dead guy.
I used to be alive.
I thought this thing was made out of plastic.
Oh, no. See, if it was made of plastic, then it would melt whenever we bake it.
You can actually bake it.
Yeah, that's the way you do the latex skins. You bake them right onto the skeleton. As a matter of fact, I've got an example over here. And she's been dying to meet you, Dan.
Oh, good.
This is Barbie. Had a bad day with a big old pin last night. Oh, stop. I like her.
Ow! All right, now, Mark, where do you have to go to get an actual human skeleton?
Oh, there's a place called Bones R Us. I gotta warn you folks, this next clip with E.G. Marshall starts out really disgusting, then it goes downhill. Oh, good.
Tell me when it's over.
It's over.
That makes you hungry, doesn't it, lady?
I should have known that. All right, now that was not actually E.G. Marshall in the film thing.
No. Well, actually, that's a latex mask made by Tom Savini for the film Creepshow. Now, you folks ready for something really gross and disgusting?
Yeah.
I'll show you in the audience how we're going to squib a bullet hit. Remember Al Pacino, Scarface?
I do.
Go ahead and kill some kids. No way. You die, mama.
have that stuff?
Yeah, you clear this up on the counter. Josephine, we're going to shoot you in the head now. What is it? This is guap. That's guap. It's Cairo syrup, red dye, and then just a little bit of baboon juice. It's baboon juice. Baboon juice is you take a baboon and you slice his rear end off and you put it on a juicer like that.
Parents must be very proud of you, Mark.
They left me when I was a child. They're going to fill that up with this guap, and then we're going to take some of this electrical. One of these wire nuts.
What do you have there?
This is smokeless powder. This is spit. Then what we're going to do is connect these two wires to an electrical charge, and then you'll see exactly what will happen. And then I want you to meet my friend over here, George.
Hi, George. How are you?
Fine. I'll do a demonstration today. Can you grab the pistol over the counter?
I can.
I'm going to connect these two wires right here in the back of George's neck. Once I get these two wires connected, I want you to count to 3 and then pull the trigger on the pistol. At the same time, I'll let the detonator here so I'll have a nice plug in.
All right, come here, yourself. This is very loud. You ready? All right. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, don't shoot me, pal. Please, don't shoot.
You're not allowed to talk on the phone. Look, Mark, if you're going to talk, I'm not going to shoot it.
I'm not doing anything.
It's not happening on a
Hey, please, look, I got a wife and 3 little heads at home. Hey, this was not in my contract.
I don't think you have a contract. Yeah.
You want me to shoot him? Drum roll! 1, 2, 3. Very nice.
Hey, you see that? And I just got a haircut.
That looks good on you, George.
Gee, my eyes hurt, my nose is runny. I feel achy all over.
You don't have an all over. George should have quit while he was ahead. Thank you very much. I'll be here all week. All right, move on to anything. Very
All right, I got
quickly.
somebody right here like the beach. Feel both of your personal bases. You got a nice handle. Now, Dick Smith is a wonderful character. He created the character of Eva, the universal villain. Now, Eva, played by actress Alice Creed. Had a terrible accident. Her companions didn't think she was dead. They wanted to consume her.
She won't. I tell you, she's dead.
Now she's dead. But she comes back 50 years later and she haunts me.
Well, happy ending to the film. Are we going to get a look at it?
Oh, yeah. Eva, it's time to meet everybody. Say hello. Girl. I think she looks pretty good for 50 years at the bottom of the lake.
Dry skin, not among Eva Brompton.
Now, Dan, I want to get a quick snapshot of you and Eva. So stand beside her.
No, I don't want to be a picture. I have bad hair and a booty top.
Just stand over here.
All right, look, I'll get a photo of you in a minute. No, I don't want. Don't be here for a week.
One,
If you
one.
I'm not. Josephine. Let's hear for Josephine. Yeah. Get a camera out there. Use the flash. Live on the edge.
You come over here, lady. You can sit on his lap. He won't mind it. You get out of here. You said you didn't want to be in the picture. You said you didn't want to be in the picture.
No, I'll do it if it's a group photo.
Okay. Put your arm around me.
Oh, here, Josephine. It's like we're on our first date. Mom's in the back seat. It'll be beautiful. Everybody, big hand for Josephine. Listen, Mark, you're an expert in the makeup field. I want you to tell everybody what you would consider to be the ultimate horror makeup effect.
Oh, I think it's Tammy Faye Baker. So, Jay, let's roll those clips right now. This first one is Dick Smith's work on Linda Blair in The Exorcist. scene in John Landis' American Werewolf in London. Rick Baker won an Academy Award for the work he did in American Werewolf.
Yep.
Now, the first part of that scene is David Naughton in appliance makeup. But appliance makeup can only go so far. So the second two stages are mechanical heads, or as the production team would call them, change-o heads.
Change-o head.
Now, what Rick did was build up an understructure using the actor's face as a guide. Then he covered it with the foam latex, as you can see.
Now, what's actually underneath there mechanism-wise moving around?
It's a series of pneumatics which are run by air pressure. In other words, there's bladders inside each of the faces which fill up the air and move the face out like that. Now what they did was they filmed each of the heads individually and they edited the shots together so it looked like he was actually changing into a werewolf.
It's great, very realistic.
Oh, this is all real hair. I cut it off my mother's back.
All right, Mark, listen, we're just about out of time. Before we get out of here, though, tell me about the big things on the side of the stage.
Okay, these are the two pods from the movie The Fly. The remake.
The remake,
That's
right.
right. With Jeff Goldblum and Gina Davis. Now, in this movie, some wonderful makeup and effects by Christopher Whalen. Goldblum here plays a scientist who has discovered how to transport matter from one place to another. And he has a computer something like this one. Well, analyze because of the breakdown, runs inside of these pods and makes it great. We'll transport it.
Now these are smoking up. Are we going to have a demonstration or what?
Well, they must have got these hooked up fine. That'll be great. Fox just dropped them off. It's working and have a demonstration.
No! I'm claustrophobic, you know that. Oh, wait, take a second. Why don't you go? I've got to run this. I can do that. I'm in college and everything. No, I'm going to pass out.
No. They won't strike out. Josephine! We're just kidding. We're going to take her.
Everybody, a big day for Josephine for being That's it?
All right. Something goes wrong, Josephine. You're coming after me. What a buzz!